Hi everyone, it's Sarah from International Rejuvenation, and today we're going to be doing a little video testimonial with one of our past patients to talk about her results and her experience with us. Hi Julie, how are you?
Good, thank you.
So first of all, what procedure did you have?
I had a facelift. I had my wrinkly old turkey neck taken away, my jowls taken away, and my baggy eyelids taken away.
So the official terminology for that is a mid facelift and a neck lift, a temporal lift, and Julie also had lower blepharoplasty, also known as lower eyelid surgery. And I'll quickly post some before and afters of Julie before surgery and not too long after surgery, maybe a couple of weeks or a month post-op. Which surgeons did you choose?
I chose Dr Bhumsak because I've heard really good things about him, and I know he specialises in facelifts. So I thought, well, I needed somebody who knew what they were doing, so I chose him.
How long ago was your surgery?
Coming up early September, it'll be 6 months.
That's gone fast, hasn't it?
So it has.
Are you happy with your result?
More than happy. You know, that I didn't tell a lot of people before I went. I just told family members because so many people are negative about going to Thailand for surgery. So I went over, and when I came back I went and saw people, and they said, oh, you've had a great holiday, look how relaxed and fresh you are. And then I admit that I have had a facelift, and people are amazed that the incisions were, like, even a few weeks later people had trouble seeing the incisions. And Dr Bhumsak was telling me he uses this special technique, and he's the only one in Thailand who does it, where he makes an incision behind your ear, so if a lady pulls her hair back you can't see the incisions. So I thought that was a really good idea. So yes, more than happy with him.
Can you explain what happened during your consultation?
Well, you go into his office and he asks you what your expectations are, and then he will tell you what he thinks you should have done, and between the two of you to work out what procedures you will have.
Yeah. So how would you rate your hospital experience?
Second to none. They are amazing. The hospital is just unbelievable, honestly, because I'd been to a couple of hospitals before I went away with my 86-year-old father, and they were both private hospitals, and one was on the Gold Coast, and they're not even a close second to what the hospitals are over there. And the staff is amazing.
They
really
are
amazing.
Yeah, the nurses are just so lovely and caring, and nothing's a problem. And like I always say to people, we're nice, but we're not Thai nice. It's just not in us. They're a whole different type of breed, and they're just amazing, beautiful people. You can't explain it. It's amazing. How did you hear about International Rejuvenation?
Well, a neighbour of mine had already been over to have some work done through you fellows. And then also my daughter had eye surgery probably 18 months ago over in Thailand. So yes, that's what I thought. Well, I'm sick of being referred to as my dad's wife. So I thought, well, one person one day said it just once too often, and I got the phone number and rang up and booked in.
Easy as that. How would you describe your experience with us?
Couldn't be more satisfied. Like, from when I made the booking, I rang and talked to Sarah. She organised the appointments, the flights, the accommodation, the transfers to and from the airport, to and from the hospital. Everything was done. All I had to do was turn up. And then it was just magic. Like, had the operation and the service afterwards. I had to spend a couple of days in bed, not because I was ill, but I had to follow doctor's instructions, like no watching TV, no reading books because of my eye surgery as well. But after those couple of days, I was ready to hit the streets. I'd had painkillers when I was in hospital because I had to, but they gave me some to go back to the hotel, and I never took them because I wasn't in any pain. It was amazing. The amount of work I had done, no pain at all.
Yeah, you just had your swelling and antibiotic tablets, is that right?
That's right, yes.
Has surgery changed your life?
Definitely has. Like, I don't spend as much time in front of the mirror trying to pull the neck back and the jowls up anymore. And I don't wear scarves unless it's cold now, because I was wearing scarves before just to cover up my neck.
Mm-hmm.
Because I think, I don't know if it was my neck or what it was making me look 86 like my dad. So, no, so much better.
Would you recommend International Rejuvenation to family and friends?
I have, and I will, because I have nothing to fault. I said the only problem is I should have made this decision years ago. I don't know why I kept putting it off, honestly.
So many people say that. I don't know why I didn't do this years ago.
Exactly. I'd been humming and hawing for so many years. I don't know why I did it. I should have done it earlier.
That's what everyone says. I just want to thank you for taking the time to do this video with us, and I want to wish you all the best and look forward to seeing you in the future.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye.